welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am back yet again with another thrift with me, but this time I'm gonna be trying to thrift my Pinterest board. Spring is approaching and I have lots of things I'm looking for, lots of inspo. I put together a few Pinterest boards last night of like specific items or trends that I'm gonna be looking for today, but I'll go more into detail about those in a bit. I'm definitely trying to enter my cool Pinterest girl era, so let's go and see what we can find. Alrighty, here we go. How are the vibes today, Pookie?
The vibes are immaculate.
Let's get it. Here we go. Okay, we made it in. First up, I'm gonna head to accessories. On my Pinterest board, there's a lot of like studded Y2K style accessories, kind of like that grungy vibe, and then also a lot of like Y2K hats. Lots of chunky belts, studded belts, and then also gonna be looking for like maximalist style purses, so like chains, buttons, patches, patterns, like literally just like purses that are so out there. So let's go and see if we can find any of that. Oh my god, you guys, literally what Y2K baddie died and gave all her stuff away. Like, look at these. And then this little cherry one. Love that. Dude, this one is literally insane. I'm actually dying. Look at that. It's like studded too. I'm just gonna grab all of these. I fear I hit the accessory jackpot. Look at this. Oh my god, this is like exactly what we were looking for. Like the studs, the leather, the patterns, everything. This is 25 bucks though. And then another studded bag was this cutie little one. I really liked this one. It's like gold, it has all the studs there, little rhinestones. I like the material, it's like sweater material almost. And then I have all my Y2K baddie purses too. These for sure, I think I know I want. I found two really cute hats. This camo one was really cute, but I think it used to have like a patch. It kind of has like a little shadow of it, so I feel like it looks kind of weird, but I like the shape of it. And then this one, you guys, oh my god. I'm dead. It looks so small though, but I'm definitely gonna try this on. I also forgot to show you the belts that I found. This is like exactly what I was looking for. Like actually, how perfect is this? I have to try it on to see if it fits. Oh, I think it's broken. Oh no, darn. Okay, well I'm gonna pass definitely because I don't think I could fix that. This is like exactly what was on my Pinterest board, but sadly, we're gonna leave her. I liked this one. It has like the little studs and I liked the oval shape. It was really cool and it's like kind of just like fabric. So I'm gonna try that one. This one was cool. It is chunky, it's studded, and it's just like this braided brown leather, but I don't know. I have a lot of other accessories in my cart, so I think I'm gonna pass on that one. And then another one that was cool is this clear like grommet one. This would be like fun to style. It's kind of cool. It feels kind of cheap though, so I don't know. And then last but not least, this red one. I love this one. It just has studs all along it, so I'm definitely gonna try that one. Now let's head to like the nightwear section. I'm gonna be looking for lots of like cute polka dots, girly, lace, and I feel like baby doll tops are like trending right now, so I'm gonna look for those. So let's see what we find. Some cutie corsets. I'm pretty sure this is the Urban Outfitters one. There's no tag, but it looks like it. It's not my size though. And then this one is really cool, but again, not my size. I love the little bow. Cute. Oh my god, I just hit the slip dress jackpot. Let's take a look. Number one, this super vintage Victoria's Secret little butter yellow slip dress with like the little bow and the tulle. Oh my god, this is literally gorgeous, stunning. Definitely taking her. And then I also found this cute white lace baby doll style top slip dress, whatever you want to call it. It's so pretty. And then it has like this little flower detail right there. I love this one so much, but it's like completely sheer and I just don't know what I would wear under it, so I'm probably gonna leave it just because I have so much in my car already. This black one was to die for. Oh my god, look. And it's like sheer at the bottom and then it has like lace panels. I loved this one so much. This one is really cute too. It's not my size, I don't think, but I loved like the little buttons down here. It's this purple one, super cute, but not my size. This one was so pretty. It's like this really cool like green color. I loved the little bow up here. That's a maybe. And then I found some polka dots, but not really quite what I'm going for, so we'll pass. And then I found some slip tops too. This one had like a really pretty bow and lace on the front. Love the color too. I love this one so much. Look, it has like floral embroidery on it. And then just this red one. cute. Okay, let's move on. So freaking cute. I literally saved one like just like this, but I think it was black, but it's not my size. Okay, for dresses, I'm not really looking for anything specific. I feel like I'm not really like a dress girly, but I want to be, so let's see what they have. Look at this. I love the pattern on it. Very like retro, and I love the halter. I think it might be too big for me though. Yeah, darn. It's really cute. I also found this like super old American Eagle dress. I've literally never seen an American Eagle tag like this ever. It's like insanely old looking, so not really my style, but I just thought it was cute to show. Again, like this is so on trend right now, like the bubble dresses, but I don't know if it would look good on me. Do I dare even try this on? Like, I feel like it's just gonna look like a balloon. It's cute though. That's all. Let's go. How's it going?
Good. I'm just trying to find some more stuff for you.
For me?
Yeah, I'll show you some stuff.
Cute. I definitely had tons of camo on my Pinterest board. Pookie knows best.
So Calvin Klein jeans.
Okay. Oh my god, that's so perfect.
Isn't that?
I love it, yeah.
Belt?
Oh my god. Oh my god, that's crazy. I hope it fits me.
Little vintage Calvin Klein.
Oh, cute.
This is like vintage Gap.
Babe.
This isn't the cutest bag ever.
Babe, it's so cute. I love the color combo.
Yeah.
I like the shape of it.
You don't have a bag that's like this.
It's giving pear. It looks like a pear. Cute. Thanks, baby. Now I think I'm gonna go to the bottoms. I really want some like micro mini shorts. I feel like those are really trendy right now. I saved a lot of those. And then pretty much just anything low rise. I've been saving a ton of low rise stuff. So crossing my fingers, let's go see what they have. All right, after searching all of the shorts, this is what we have. I literally pinned some just like these, so I thought that was so funny. They're not my size, but I just wanted to show that it's definitely possible to find things on your Pinterest board in the thrift store. And then one pair of micro mini shorts. I liked the wash on these, and then the back pocket details are really cute. Now that I'm looking at it, it's kind of funny that like it's like the shape of a butt. Like, I don't know, is that gonna look weird? We'll see. Oh, and then I found a cute pair of pants. Let me show. These are the pants. I liked that it has like this button fold over detail there. I think they're like low rise, and then they flare at the bottom. And then I also found this cutie maxi skirt. These are literally all over Pinterest. It's kind of funny, but it has like cute little polka dots. I have one just like this, so I'm probably not gonna get it. I'm gonna leave her for somebody else to enjoy. I actually could not take home any more coats, but like I love this one. She's gorge. I'm not having very good luck in the tops, sadly. Pookie came over and said he found more stuff for me. Oh my god.
Isn't this so comfy with the little like velvet
ties? But it's so cute. I love the like giant buttons. Cute. Okay, I'll hang on to that. More bags?
3 more bags. This one is so cute.
Oh my god. The Puma bag? I literally have to get this. That's actually crazy. This is probably my new favorite bag. Okay, what else?
Fossil.
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Crusty,
yeah. I don't know. I'll think about that one. Oh my god.
I thought it'd just be like Shein, but it says like made in Italy, like real leather.
That's crazy. Wow. You're wild. Thanks for the finds. You just ditched me. Wow. These are such a vibe. I fear. Made in Italy. They're really cool. Stop. Please be my size. They're huge. They're Zara. Darn, they're 9. Guys, I'm sad. They're huge. They're so cute. Darn. That sucks. Let me try these on while I have my shoe off. Oh, these are a vibe. Not with the socks, but oh, they're cute. Should I be a wedge girly? I just love the like chain on them. Okay, Pookie's back again. Said he found more stuff for me.
So I'll give you a hint for the little haul I found.
Oh?
Got that biker vibe.
The Harley vibes? Oh my god. That's so cute.
It's a large, but
darn.
It's really cute.
Oh, the studded rhinestone vibes. That's exactly what we were looking for. Oh, more?
I'm assuming this is all from like the same person. There's a bunch of like...
That's so cool.
This is so cute.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Yep. You know me so well. I love this one.
I fear though, I saved the best for last.
Oh, there's more?
There's one more.
I thought that was it.
Nope.
The hoodie?
Shut up. Like,
oh my god.
like the color, the rhinestone.
I saw you just like sprint over here. I was like, it must have been good. That's crazy.
This is a medium, so it should fit you like
it looks small
oversized.
though, yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay. Well, thanks,
Immediately
babe.
yes.
Immediately yes. What is that?
Oh, and this is just a reoccurring thing in the videos.
Why does she keep following us?
I don't know why she's like a fortune teller.
Why does she keep following us everywhere? That's actually so funny. I don't want that.
I'm just kidding.
No. Okay, he's back.
You are fine. In Brandy Melville.
Oh, cute.
$2.
$2. I feel like somebody shrunk it. You can feel it in the sleeves. It's all like deformed. But I'll try it on.
This is for the real Y2K girlies, to bring it back to your childhood.
Oh my god. Paul Frank?
Yeah.
Oh my
flavor?
god. Yeah. That's crazy. Here we go. Crazy find. Immediately getting this. We have all of the like biker vibe type shirts. So the Harley Davidson hoodie is a yes for sure. This one I think is a yes for sure also. I'm not even gonna try them on. I'll just try them on when I get home. This one's so cool. So I'm gonna get that. I love this one. I love like the pattern on it. This one I'm like debating because I don't know if it's like, I like the other ones better. This Calvin Klein long sleeve, yes, definitely gonna get this one. This little camo tank. I'll probably pass on this. This, yeah, yep. That's a yes. The Brandy Melville cardigan, we'll try her on. See how the sleeve is like shrunken? Oh, this is so itchy. It's kind of like whatever. We'll pass on her, but thanks for finding that. This jacket though,
That's a
yeah.
yes for me, like immediately.
I'll try it on. Businesswoman vibes, office siren vibes. Not with this fit, but hear me out. I love the little like velvet ties on it. But yeah, this would be like definitely that office siren aesthetic that's trending. So cute. I love the hot pink inside too. Well, bam. Okay, and then we have all of my slip top and dresses. This one was probably my favorite. Vintage Victoria's Secret butter yellow mini dress. Crazy. Definitely gonna get this one. It's just so pretty. It reminds me of, what's that movie where she's like wearing the butter yellow dress? I think it's How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days, but that just reminds me of that movie. I don't know what size it is. It looks really big, but it has like cute little flowers on the side. It's almost there, but there's just like a lot of space there. Okay, we'll pass on her just because I'm already getting a lot too, so. And then these two ended up not being my size, so I'm gonna pass on these. I just don't know if I'd wear this.
Hear me out. Would it be weird with pants under?
Oh.
Because it's like sheer, so it's almost like a skirt.
Oh yeah, it's cool. I wish you guys could see. It's only $2, so maybe I'll just get it and challenge myself to style it. That's all for clothing. Now I have a shit ton of accessories. Like actually, I don't even know where to start. We were looking for the Y2K hats and they delivered. This one, crazy. Oh my god. Cute, right?
Yeah. I love the little pockets.
Yeah, I love the like zipper pocket. Where is it? That's so cool. Okay, we'll get that. Oh, it's so small. Okay, well, it's not going on my head. Yeah, we'll pass on that one. Yeah, this one was crazy. Please fit. How do you even do this?
Let's see.
I'm confused.
I don't know.
I don't know either, but
The vibes are there.
the vibes are there. It's definitely what I was looking for, like the chunky belt. So I think I'll just get it. It's really cool.
Oh, you know what? I think that's how it works. Like something like this. Yeah, I think it's like that.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he figured
That's
it
actually
out.
even more slight.
Yeah,
So.
let me try it and make sure it fits like
Here's
that.
what-
So how do you do?
You loop this through here.
Oh, and then fold it back. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, I'll get it. Okay, and then this vintage Calvin Klein one. I already have a belt on, so this is a little weird. Oh, it's upside down. Oh well, it's cute. I just don't know, like the gold. I never wear gold.
I think maybe you should just wear gold. Like,
Okay.
I think it's,
This one, I don't know.
yeah, I'd probably say no.
Yeah, it's just like really cheap, so we'll pass on the clear grommet one. But these ones are really cool. I liked this one. I don't know if it's gonna fit though. How do you even? There's no holes. Oh,
Yeah, and then you just like,
it's also upside down.
it's also reversed.
Thanks. So romantic.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, that's so cool.
Jane's never used a belt.
Cute. I like this one a lot, actually. This one was really cool. Yeah, it's too big. Yeah, not my fave, so pass. Now we have the bags. I found some crazy bags. Okay, starting off with the pear bag. Don't punch me.
Is that better?
Yeah,
I kind of vibe with that. Low-key.
I think it's cute,
'cause
yeah.
It has like the flip phone pocket.
Oh my god, it's so tiny. It's like a little lip gloss. This one, yeah,
Immediately. Yes.
immediately yes. Oh my god, it is very vintage. I love the inside.
metal.
It's so cute. Oh, this is so me. Cute.
Might be like my favorite find of the whole video.
You think so? This one though? Yeah. Duh. I cannot believe you found this. I have to get it. Where's the logo? Oh, it's down here. There's the little puma. So cute. Okay, this is probably my girl of the video. Oh my god, the inside. And it's like kind of like studded too. Yeah. Yeah, no debate there. The other ones, I'm debating. Yeah, it's kind of like stained and stuff. I like the other ones better, so I'm gonna leave that one. This one is so cute. It reminds me of like the Bagoo bags, you know? Oh, it's so cute. I love it. This one's pretty freaking cute, I can't lie. Oh, why did I find so much? This one, I think I'm gonna leave, sadly. Yeah, I just feel like it's really like beat up, and I just feel like the other ones are way cooler. I just don't know if I'd wear it. It is cool though, huh?
I think that one's like non-negotiable. I think it's
really? I was debating not getting it. Okay, well, if you say so. Yeah, the more I look at it, the more I don't like this one, so I just like my other ones better. This one though, I don't know. Do you think I should get it? That's as short as it goes. Okay, I'll think about it. But that's all that I found. Somebody asked me, like, you guys put the stuff back, right? And yeah, Zach's always on put back duty, so there he goes. Sorry, babe. Thank you. Okay, bye. Cookie found some good stuff too. Let's see. Cute. This one's so cute.
And then this was pretty sick.
Cool. Oh yeah, crazy fun.
Revenge hoodie, Playboy edition.
Let me get the close up. See the little bunnies. Oh my god. Yeah, he looked it up, and on StockX it's like $200 right now. So kind of a crazy find. Oh, cool. Oh my god, that's sick. We both got the Playboy finds.
Yeah, I don't know about these. Yeah, look at this.
Wow, let me get the zoom.
Made in Italy.
Kind of crazy. Oh my god. They look legit to me. Yeah, those are really cool.
And some shorts. I love stuff.
I love these. Yeah. Oh my god. So cool. Oh yeah?
So I was like, oh, the Alex Natter went.
What the hell?
What the hell? That's
$8. What a steal. Okay. Good job, baby. You found some good stuff. My haul is very crazy, very Pinterest coded, which is exactly what we wanted. Yay!
We secured the bag.
I think so. The bags, plural. I probably didn't need like 7 more bags, but I can't help myself. Guys, look at my shoes. Aren't they cute? It's my first time wearing them.
Vlog, we got them.
I got them at Burlington Ew. Dust bunnies. I got them at Burlington Coat Factory for $30. Crazy. We got a pretty good haul today. I feel like this is one of my best hauls ever. I feel like I say that every time, but this time it might be true. And what time is it now?
Smoothie time.
Smoothie time. You know the drill. Peanut butter smoothie. Here we go. Yay.
Yippee.
Cheers. Sorry you're driving. Successful thrifting day. All right, you guys, I'm back with a huge haul from today. But since it's so huge, I just decided to make a completely separate video trying everything on, styling every single thing. So that will be coming to my channel next week. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. But anyways, thanks again for coming along with me to thrift today, and I'll see you guys next time for the haul. Bye.